All right, 9A, Unit 2, end of unit test. Function or no function? Well, function always has to do with whether the x repeats itself. So take a look at the x, and look, 5 and 5 repeat itself. That can't happen, so it's a non-function because x repeats. Now let's look at this one. All you've got to do is do the vertical line test. Drop a line down, I only hit it once. Once, 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 once. So it passes the vertical line test. The vertical lines only hit once. So it passes. All right, the next two are about proportional. Remember, the proportionals always go through the origin. So look at this. Is that 0, 0? No. So it's non-proportional, does not go through the origin. Let's take a look at this one. Is there a dot on the origin? Yes. So it is proportional. It goes through the origin. All right, next one was multiple choice. We have to take this guy and make a rule for it, but the problem is they didn't give us any numbers. So when we don't give us any numbers, we have to use process of elimination. So let's see. It's n and c. So n is really my x, and this is really my y. So normally, they start with y equals, and then all your numbers. Well, my y in this case is c. And n should be over here. Well, remember, if n is over here, he also has to show up here. My x is my n. So my independent variable, the guy in charge, is n. If he's in charge, he's showing up twice. Let's take a look at that and see if we can eliminate anything. C of n, C of n, and n. Nope. Look at this. N of c, can't have that. N of c, can't have that. So we know that n shows up twice, n shows up twice, so that works. Now, take a look at this, that it's proportional. Proportional relationships don't have that little plus on the end. And so you're looking at just B is the answer. All right, next. So Jonathan and his band, you know what, I'll do this on a separate one.